Did you know that with an 8% return, your money could double in just 9 years? That's the magic of compounding interest. And today I'll show you a simple rule to harness it for your financial growth. Welcome back to Simply Money. In this video, we're diving into the Rule of 72, a quick and easy tool to predict how fast your investment can double. If you're ready to make smarter financial moves, let's get started. Remember the old question when you were a kid? How much would a penny doubled every day for 30 days be? It doesn't seem like much when you start with a penny, the small amount starting out. But the power of doubling is incredible, and compound interest has a simple math rule of 72 that explains how fast your money can double. Now, we're talking, per se, if I put $10,000 in and I don't add anything to it, how long will that take to turn into $20,000? Most people struggle with long-term investing because they don't understand how their money grows over time. It can feel like a guessing game, and without a clear plan, you could miss out on major opportunities to build wealth. Here's where the rule of 72 comes in. It's simple. Divide 72 by your annual return rate to estimate how many years it will take your investment to double. Let's look at an example. Imagine you invest $10,000 at an 8% annual return. Using the rule of 72, your money doubles every 9 years. After 36 years, your $10,000 could grow to over $160,000 without you lifting a finger. That's the power of compounding made clear by this simple rule. Think about it. Year 9, you're at $20,000. Year 18, you're at $40,000. Year 27, you're at $80,000. Year 36, doubled the $80,000, you're at the $160,000. See the difference? The doubling gets bigger the longer you go. And we don't want to wait. We're so impatient. But if we start early, imagine the power of the doubling down the road. Imagine if it was 45 years. Now it's $320,000. That's with 8% interest. That's without adding any more to it month by month with dollar cost averaging. Power of compounding, the rule of 72. Simple recap. The rule of 72 is a must-know formula for anyone looking to grow their wealth. It's quick, effective, and gives you a realistic view of how your money can work for you. Now it's your turn. Share in the comments what return rate you're aiming for and how the rule of 72 changes your perspective. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Simply Money.